Hello, welcome to our supermarket guide. Today we are going to discuss some great foods for gout that you can easily find in your local supermarket. Gout is a type of arthritis that is caused by high levels of uric acid in the body, and a healthy diet can help manage and reduce these levels. First, we have cucumbers. Cucumbers are an excellent source of cucurbitacins, which are natural antioxidants that can help protect your body from inflammation and reduce uric acid levels in your system. You can enjoy cucumbers in a variety of ways, from salads to soups and even as a side dish. Next, we have chickpeas. Chickpeas are another great source of cucurbitacins and are also low in calories and high in protein, making them a nutritious and satisfying choice. Chickpeas can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or even used as a base for various dishes. Third, we have spinach. Spinach is a fantastic source of folate, which can help lower homocysteine levels in the body, a possible risk factor for heart disease and gout. Additionally, spinach is loaded with other nutrients that can support healthy joint function. You can enjoy spinach in a salad or even make a healthy spinach curry. Finally, we have avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels in the body and can also help reduce the risk of gout. Avocado is versatile. You can enjoy it as a healthy spread, in a salad, or even incorporate it into various dishes. In conclusion, incorporating these foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to manage gout and support your overall health. Happy shopping!